Your cool story about phone dog?
Hey, guess what? You keep talking about your two legs. Real cool story. Tough story, bro. Cool story. You and the John. I know, you and Donald should go hang out.
You were talking about it yesterday. There's a little nugget.
It's a very exciting moment. I know, I love Mr. Doug.
By the way, Mr. Mo is home and a little asshole.
Go get it, baby. Look at Marley's in the corner.
So crazy how this shrinks up.
What is it? It's a Thursday.
What?
What's that over there, bud? Right there. Oh.
Allie hit her head on one of the frames.
Oh no, I did not hit my head on one of the frames. One of the friends hit me.
So I'm going to go be a gentleman and go get you. What do you want? A leave? I am white. I'm in white too.
I also love.
I'm the Black Knight. What do you want? I got some Bengay here. Bengay? Yeah, little joints. Some muscle ribs.
Honey, Jesus, they have me pooping orange.
Alright, hold on.
Honey, they're not all remember. And there she goes. Oh boy.
Look at the carrot too.
Woo!
I just covered a whole bag of carrots. Don't wiggle.
Oh. Oh. Boy. Is that how you slam dunk?
No. You come to save time? Hope you enjoyed today's video. I swear again, this is real hair. We got a lot to do still in the house, as you can.
The information is taken from an IRS website that allows taxpayers to access tax returns and other filings from previous years. Officials say the Justice Department scheme to pay fraudulent tax refunds. This is CBC News.
Here are your